pipit sa sanga ng isang kahoy, at nahagip ng bato ang pakpak ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, di na nakaya pang lumipad, at ang nangyari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bumigas. Mamang kay lupit, ang puso mo'y di na nahabag. Pag pumanaw ang buhay ko, may isang pitpit na iiyak. May pumukol sa pipit sa sanga ng isang kahoy, at nahagip ng bato ang pakpak ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, di na nakaya pang lumipad, at ang nangyari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bumigas. Mamang kay lupit, ang puso mo'y di na nahabag. Pag pumanaw ang buhay ko, may isang pitpit na iiyak.
Hi dear Talent Academy viewers! I'm Nicole.
And I'm Annika. I'm Isabel. I'm Tara.
I'm Ayesha. And I'm Madison. And together, we're your hosts for Talents Academy.
You know what month it is, everyone? It's May! And do you know what that means?
It's National Heritage Month.
Pilipinas, oh Pilipinas, oh Pilipinas. Magsama-sama tayo ating balikan mga kwento ng pamana ang ating kasaysayan. Ito'y nagbubuklod sa ating lahat, libo-libo mang pulo, ngunit isang watawan. Paraan ng pamumuhay ng mga ninuno, sadyang ipinaman at itinuro. Pangalagaan natin ating pagyamanin, mahaling himig ng pamana ay dinggin. O Pilipinas, ang ating tanging bayan, ang kultura at tradisyon ay pahalagahan. O Pilipinas, kahit nasaan ka man, ipagbunyi ang laging ipagsigawan. Isamot sa kwento ng nakalipas, ito ang himig ng pamana ng Pilipinas. O Pilipinas, o Pilipinas, iba't ibang dayuhan Uy dumating ang pagsakop nila'y may influensya sa atin Ngunit ang kalayaan din ay nakamtan Dahil sa mga bayaning bansa'y pinaglaban Sadyang napakarami ng mga pamana Mga kwentong hatid ay paalala Palaging ibahagit, ipagpasalamat Ang gabay at inspirasyon ng lahat O Pilipinas, ang ating tanging bayan Ang kultura, tradisyon ay pahalagahan O Pilipinas, kahit nasaan ka man Ipagbunyi at laging ipagsigawan Ang samot-saring kwento na nakalipas Ito ang himig ng pamana ng Pilipinas Ang ating tanging bayan Ang kultura at tradisyon ay pahalagahan O Pilipinas, kahit nasaan ka man Ipagbunyi at laging ipagsigawan Ang samot-saring kwento na nakalipas Ito ang himig ng pamana ng Pilipinas ng Pilipinas ng Pilipinas
National Heritage Month isn't just about dusty old books and statues in museums. It's about celebrating who we are as Filipinos. Absolutely, Anika. It's a time for us to reconnect with our roots, to celebrate our shared identity, and to build a stronger nation together.
This year, the theme is Championing Heritage, Capacity Building to Transform Communities. The National Commission for Culture and the Arts, also known as NCCA, is all about making sure that all Filipinos have access to programs and tools that help us understand and preserve our cultural heritage.
Cultural mapping is one of those tools. It's about identifying and documenting all the amazing part of our heritage, from historical sites to traditional practices.
And cultural mapping isn't just about what's written in history books. It's about the stories, the languages, the art forms that makes who we are. And guess what? Cultural mapping isn't just for experts. It's for all of us. It's a way for communities to come together and share what's important to them. That's right, Anika. Because when we understand and appreciate our heritage, we can make sure it's protected and preserved for future generations.
And that is why communities and stakeholders play such a crucial role in National Heritage Month. So, let us celebrate, let's learn, and let's make sure that our cultural heritage continues to thrive.
So join us as we dive into the fascinating world of Filipino culture, to the ancient to the modern.
From the familiar to the lesser known.
Because our heritage isn't just about the past, it's about shaping our future.
It's a source of inspiration and pride for all Filipinos.
So let's come together.
Stay tuned for an unforgettable journey through our Filipino heritage.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na
as we dive into the rich tapestry of Filipino culture.
Let's celebrate our beautiful heritage.
Explore our Filipino identity with all of you.
National Heritage Month is a time to reflect on what makes us proudly Filipino.
I'm excited to spotlight the beauty and richness of our culture.
During this special month, we come together to honor our roots and traditions.
It's incredible to see the nation come alive.
We cry for our heritage.
During National Heritage Month or Pambansang Buwan ng Pamana, as we call it in our native language, we celebrate the vibrant tapestry of the Philippine culture.
This month-long celebration established by presidential proclamation
Shines a spotlight on our rich heritage
and invites everyone to join in the festivities. Similar to other famous heritage months around the globe, the end goal is clear.
Raise public awareness about it
and encourage everyone to embrace their Filipino identity.
Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y maharlika. Likas sa aking puso at hikain kay kanda. Sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na perlas ng silanganan, wari na tipo ng kayamanan ng may kapal. Ika'y sa'king talino sa mabuti lang laan. Sa aki katutubo ang maging mapagmahal. Ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay Pilipino. Isang bansa, isang diwa ang minimithi ko. Sa bayang ko't bandila, laan buhay ko't diwa. Ako ay Pilipino, Pilipinong totoo. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino, ang Pilipino ay ako.
We're taking a journey through the captivating history of National Heritage Month.
We will explore how the Philippines came to be the diverse and vibrant nation it is today.
Let's start from the very beginning. Over 65 million years ago, when the Philippines began to take shape through underwater volcanic explosion.
People started arriving first from the Asian mainland, then Chinese settlers, and later Muslim traders.
Fast forward to the 1500s, when the world discovered this paradise. European settlers, particularly the Spanish, began colonization, leaving a lasting impact on our food, cultural, and costumes.
Despite the islands existing as separate entities, colonialism united them into what we know as the Philippines, a powerful Southeast Asian archipelago.
By the 19th century, colonization and the spread of Christianity were widespread, shaping the identity of the Filipino people.
But Filipinos were uncontent with being under foreign rule. Nationalists fought for independence, sparking revolutions against Spanish colonialism.
Meanwhile, a war between the US and Spain saw the Philippines change hands,
becoming a US territory for nearly 50 years.
In 1902, the US has won the initial battle, but the Filipinos persisted, leading to the establishment of the Commonwealth of the Philippines in 1935.
Finally, after the World War II,
Yet, the colonial legacy remains strong, shaping today's Filipino identity
into a rich blend of religions, cultures, and languages.
And that, dear viewers, is the remarkable journey for the Philippines from colonization to independence, shaping our diverse heritage celebrated during National Heritage Month.
from the struggles for freedom
to the triumphs of independence.
Every chapter of our history has contributed to the tapestry of our heritage. Each generation adds its own colors and textures, enriching the story of who we are.
Minsay natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay lang aakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sama sisig lang inda, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
National Heritage Month is not just a celebration of the past, but a recognition of the resilience and spirit of our people. And to embrace the cultural diversity and defines us. Let's also look forward to preserving our heritage
And celebrating it for generations to come.
Our heritage is our pride, our strength and our connection to each other and to our land. Let's continue to cherish and protect the legacy of our ancestors, ensuring that their stories live on for eternity.
We need to find this history. It is not just something we read about, it's something we carry within us, shaping who we are today.
It's a time to come together as a nation.
So let's celebrate our heritage with pride and gratitude, knowing that our story is still being written, with each of us playing a part.
And with that, dear viewers, we've reached the end of our journey through National Heritage Month. Remember, this isn't just a celebration, it's a reaffirmation of who we are as Filipinos.
A journey through the heart and soul of Filipino culture.
Happy National Heritage Month, mga kababayan! May we always honor and cherish our rich tapestry of our Filipino culture. Let's embrace our past, celebrate our present, and build a future
that honor the legacy of those who came before us. As we commemorate National Heritage Month, let's remember that our diversity is our strength and our heritage is our treasure. So, whether you're exploring Asian tradition or forgiving new ones, always remember that the story have shaped as the vibrant culture that unites us all.
From all of us here at Talents Academy, thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Happy National Heritage Month, mga kababayan! Let's continue to celebrate our heritage with pride and gratitude. Mabuhay!
Happy National Heritage Month, everyone!
Happy National Heritage Month!
Happy National Heritage Month, everyone!
Happy